Hey kids! Did you know journaling is a fun way to explore your thoughts and feelings? It helps you get creative and understand your emotions better. You can write about all sorts of things. Here are just a few examples. Write about things you are grateful for to remember the good stuff in your life. Think about what makes a good friend and celebrate your friendships. Imagine your dream house and draw what it looks like. What would be your superpower and think about how you'd use it to help others. Remember your favorite memory and relive the fun times. Design your own t-shirt and make it as cool as you want. Set some goals and plan how you will achieve them. Try writing every day. Use cool notebooks, colorful pens, and stickers to make it awesome. You can download our printable journal for inspiration. Find the link in the description. Start your journaling adventure today and see how amazing it feels.
Fusion Muse.